Hi guys, so this is gonna be part 2 of me decorating my room, and I'm just gonna do this DIY thing that I'm gonna put on my walls and have like pictures and stuff, and yeah, we're just gonna see how it goes, and yeah, and I'm gonna do a voiceover and all that. You'll just see it in the next clip. You'll see it. Okay, so you want to change your shirt, so you're gonna see me changing my shirt. Bam. Okay, and now you need a cardboard. Cut it out wherever size you want. And I'm just gonna tape mine to the wall, but I recommend you doing it on like the floor with towels and stuff, and then just make sure it's secure. So I'm making sure it's secure and stuff, so I can start painting. And yeah, and you can get all kind of paints from all kind of places. I got these at Walmart for 50 cents for just one bottle, so I spent like not that much money. And then these, you can just mix up paint, put in containers and reuse it, and just mix up your own paint, and you just have paint. And yeah, but it doesn't really cost that much. It's not really that expensive, and so I would look into getting that. Also, you can get some paint brushes from Walmart. They don't cost that much. I got like this whole set for like $5, I think, or $3. Can't really remember. And then you're just going to get like all your supplies that you want to use to help decorate your box thing. And yeah. And these are the colors I'm going to be using. And they're really pretty. These are some of my favorite colors. And then, ooh, look at that. Pretty. And then so I'm just going to start painting. And yeah, and you're just going to see the magic. And yeah, let me stop talking. And this is my finished product of the painting, and I just try to blend it or whatever. And this is just how it's looking. And now I'm just going to take it off the wall and let it dry for 10 to 20 minutes, and then we'll be back. So now I'm just rearranging. I'm arranging everything how I want it to be. I'm just laying it out. And I'm going to be using super glue because I think it just stays better. But on my pictures, I have little pieces of tape on the back of them. I'm not going to super glue them because what if I want, just in case I want to like change them out, I can change them out. And so I'm just laying them out, trying to figure out where I want them to go and how I want it to look. But for the sunflowers and the little pocket thing, I'm going to be super gluing those down for sure because I want those to stay right there. But yeah, just figure out how you want to do it, however you want to lay it out, and just figure that out. And the great part about this is you can just always take the pictures on and off and always add more or less because you just have tape on the back of them. And the tape is not going to damage your pictures or anything. You just put it on there and then you just rearrange it how you want. And that's just the best part about it. And then, yeah.
Okay, Sonny, hold on.
So this is the finished product. This is how it came out. I like how it came out, and I think it came out really cute. And I'm happy with it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll have more videos coming out soon. And yeah.